Christmas Eve, babe. And the drunk sang, an old man said to me, won't see another one. And then he sang a song, the rare old mountain dew. I turned my face away and dreamed about you. God, I'm a lucky one. Came in 18 to 1. I've got a feeling this year's for me and you. So happy Christmas, I love you, baby. I can see a better time when all our dreams come true.
They've got cars big as bars, they've got rivers of gold, but the wind goes right through you, it's no place for the old. When you first took my hand on that cold Christmas Eve, you promised me Broadway was waiting for me. You were handsome,
you were pretty, queen of New York City.
When the band finished playing, they howled out for more. Sinatra was swinging, all the drums they were singing. We kissed on the corner, then danced through the night. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, "Go away, babe," and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. You're a bum, you're a punk,
you're an old slut on junk, lying there almost dead on that drip in the bed.
You scumbag, you maggot, you cheap lousy faggot. Happy Christmas, you're awesome, thank God it's all lost.
The boys of the NYPD choir still singing, "Go away, babe,"
and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day.
Could have been someone.
Well, so could anyone. You took my dreams from me when I first found you.
I kept them with me, babe. I put them with my own. Can't make it all alone. I'll build my dreams around you. The boys of the NYPD choir were singing, "Go away, babe,"
and the bells were ringing out for Christmas Day. Come on, you can do better than that.